hurricane season just days away, and if you feel a pit in your stomach, we of course understand.
Yeah, that anxiety is kicking in, but the question today is, are you ready? Do you have your hurricane kit together? Even if you do, WESH 2's Michelle Meredith has a few items to put on that list. Some can save you a lot of headaches.
Last year's hurricane season was the kind that makes you shudder. Ian, Nicole, the flooding, the devastation.
I don't think anyone looks forward to hurricane season, but forewarned is forearmed.
One way to get forearmed is to stock up on hurricane supplies while the state's sales tax holiday is still going on. Some basics: flashlights, batteries, gas cans, bug spray, tarps, non-perishable food, a manual can opener, extra clothes, your prescription medicine, and toilet paper, because you just never know. Now for some things that might not be on the top of your mind, like insurance papers for your house and car, important documents like your birth certificate, passport, at the very least make copies of them, your power bill, phone chargers. I like to throw in some family pictures and also maybe some personal items that are really near and dear to me. Experts say take an inventory of what you have in your house, but I like to shoot a little video as well because it really helps jog your memory. To help jog your memory on what to do before, during, and after a hurricane, we've got a survival guide for you on WESH.com.
I think it's part of living in Florida, so you just have to kind of roll with the punches.
The hope is this year we don't get punched too hard. Michelle Meredith, WESH 2 News.
And we are helping you prepare for whatever this hurricane season could bring. Our First Warning weather team is looking back at the devastating storms last year in our state. We'll also have an in-depth look at this year's hurricane forecast. You can watch Surviving the Season Wednesday night at 7 o'clock right here on WESH 2.